Okay. Looks like the euro dollar looks like price hit the pivot at the R61 point. So I'm actually just going to put a line on here. It's about 8:13 in the morning. Yeah, I know there's news coming out, and I typically don't like to do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw another 5 lots on there, see what's going on. I don't have anything else open. That was from last night, those 2 trades that I took. Pretty sweet, 5,000 bucks. I'm happy with that. So I got the one sell for euro dollar at 1.1765. We'll come back and take a look at that. Might put a take profit on that, but I might just wait and see how that goes. So that's it for now. Let's see, just scroll through a little bit. Pound yen, euro yen, USD yen. Okay, technically one of these is probably going to be wrong, but it's actually looking pretty good for a short on the USD JPY as well. 4 hour, it's curving over and might come down a bit. So see if I can get see if I can take it down to maybe 109.80 down to the 38 line. So I'm actually just going to throw another 5 lots on that, or throw 5 lots on that. See what happens there. Let's see, pound dollar, same thing. Throw 5 lots on there. You got the euro dollar. Okay, so right now it looks like I've got, okay, my euro trade's already in profit by 0.6 pips. My sell on USD JPY is at 110.13. Sell at pound dollar is 1.3416, and we'll leave those. See how they pan out. Okay, well, news should be out in about 20 seconds. Looks like we're down a total of about 6-7 pips. And just figured I'd actually have this open while the news came out, just to see what happens and see if we're going to make some money. So we've got probably about, oh, here it is. So let's see what happens. Let's see, give it a few minutes. So let's see, we're short on everything. So short pound, euro, and the USD yen. Okay, I just took a look and checked out the news. Looks like all the news was positive, but there wasn't really a lot of like major news. No earth-shaking, crazy news that was going to make the market move a lot. So just going to wait and see what happens. Looks like we're down maybe about 19 pips at the moment. So I'll check in a little bit and see what's going on. Hey guys, it's about 9:06, about a half an hour after the news. Pretty lame. Nothing's going on yet. Still down probably about 4 pips, 3 pips. So I was just looking at the charts again. Looks like the Aussie dollar may be heading down too. So I'm going to go ahead and take a trade on that as well. It's 76.63. So now I've got four orders open. Total of about 20 lots, and we'll check in in a little bit and see what's happening. Okay guys, it's about 10:40 Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. Entered trades probably about a little over 2 hours ago, probably 2.5 hours ago. So just see where everything's at. The euro dollar, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, all negative. The Aussie yen and US yen are both positive. So we're in profit about 200 bucks. Nothing to write home about, but I'm just going to leave these go and see what happens. Okay, one more check. It's almost 12 o'clock, so I'm about to head to the beach. So still minus 860. Whatever. We'll see what happens, and I'll probably be back in a few hours. Okay, I'm back. 2:30. So let's see. We put the first trade on this morning at 8:30 this morning. Took a while to get going. Let's see where we're at. Looks like we're finally starting to make some money, which is kind of nice. So it looks like we're up 15, 16. Looks like we're up about 10 pips, which isn't too bad. So we'll just leave that going for a little bit longer, and I'll come back in maybe a couple hours. Okay, guys, it seems like it's forever later. It's about 10 o'clock Eastern time. Finally getting back here, taking a look. And it looks like we're doing pretty well. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 in profit. And looks like the euro dollar might hit it. So I think I'm going to keep it open for a little while and see what happens. Okay, guys, it's about 8 o'clock on Thursday morning, so it's been about a full 24 hours. We got 4 out of 5 positions that are positive. If we're looking through them one by one, we'll start with the euro dollar. Looks like it may be topping out. I'm going to keep an eye on that one, since that's really the only loser I've got right now. We've got the dollar yen. It's hitting the mid. It opened below the mid yesterday, so I'm hoping that that's going to stick, but I'll keep an eye on that one as well. The Aussie dollar looks like it's going to come down. It's actually below the mid right now as well. Aussie yen below the mid, and I'm going to see if it holds at the mid, comes back down. So I'm going to keep an eye on those. Right now we're down a couple $100, which realistically isn't any big deal. 10 pips in my favor on each of these, and I'm up $3 grand. So still waiting on those, and I'll check back in. I got a couple things to do this morning, so I probably won't be back until probably like 10, 11, 12 o'clock. Okay, it's about 10 o'clock. Just got back to the house. Looks like, by looking at the charts, things might actually be picking up. So, yeah, looks like we're up almost $2 grand, which isn't bad. Not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing here. It looks like the Aussie dollar is starting to nosedive. The Aussie yen, those are my two biggest positions. Looks like the mid held there, and looks like it's going to be making a nice dive down. So I think I'm going to hold those open. The euro dollar looks like it's tanking as well. I'm going to keep an eye on that still. And right now it's up $1,600. Still 4 positive, 1 negative. And I'll check back in just a little while. Okay, guys, it's about 1 o'clock, 1:15 on Thursday afternoon. Things are looking pretty good. $6,500 in the last day. I did actually put in some take profits on all of the positions I've got open. 83 on the Aussie yens. We got 7,600 on the Aussie Australian or Aussie USD dollar. USD JPY is down to 109.60, and the Euro USD is at 117.50. So I'm heading to the beach, and we'll see what happens. Everything should take profits with pretty confident about that. Right now we're up $6,800, which technically if I closed out right now, that'd be about $2,600 for the week. So, or $26,000 for the week. I'm sorry. So anyway, I'm going to check back in a little bit after I get back from the beach, and hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, guys, I was heading to the beach, and prices kept dropping and dropping. One of the things that I always tell people is that you're never going to go broke if you take profits. So I'm not going to be greedy. With this $8,000 right here, I'd actually be up $28,000 for the week. So I'm actually just going to close them out. Oh, that's right. Got to close the first one out first. And then I can close out the second one. So I'm going to close them out. Going to keep the euro dollar open for a minute. See if that'll hit take profit. And just to kind of give you guys an idea, custom period from Sunday to today, profit $31,000 so far. So I think I started with about 150 this week. I constantly take money out so I don't have too much money in there. So 30,000 on 150 is probably about what, 20, 25%. Not a bad week. So anyway, I'm going to keep the last one open here for a little while, and I'll monitor it, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, it's 5 o'clock. I am back, and I'm just closing the trade. I'm done. I'm done. So, let's see. We shall see what, let's see, for the week so far, what did we make? We made a total of $29,509. Not bad.